A very good afternoon to all my dear students of class 2. Again I am here, your maths teacher for online classes of Gokuldas Public School. Now what we are going to do today is place value and face value. Okay, what we are going to do today? Place value and place value. Okay, so for that, first of all of you take out your books and copies from your bag fast. I hope all of you have done homework. I think I have given you some homework. So I hope you have completed your homework also. So let's move to the next topic, that is place value and face value. Okay. So first I will explain you. So no need to write. अभी आपको लिखना नहीं है. Only you have to sit straight and understand what I am explaining you. So place value and face value. Okay. Our today's topic is place value and face value. Okay, so every number has its place value and its face value. जो भी नंबर हम लिखते हैं उसकी एक प्लेस वैल्यू होती है और एक फेस वैल्यू होती है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू फेस वैल्यू. नो नीड टू राइट. ओके, अभी आपको लिखना नहीं है. सो व्हाट इज फेस वैल्यू? सो अ फेस वैल्यू ऑफ अ डिजिट इज इट्स एक्चुअल पोजीशन, इट्स एक्चुअल वैल्यू at whatever place it may be. That means once again I am reading a face value of a digit is its actual value. मतलब जो उसकी actual value है, that is at whatever place it may be. वो किसी भी place पर हो, लेकिन उसकी जो actual value है, that is the face value of a number. For example, I am writing here some number 436. Okay, once again I am explaining you the definition of or the concept of face value. A face value of a number is actual value of a number. उसकी जो actual value, that is the face value of a number, and whatever position या whatever place it may be, वो किसी भी place पर हो, that doesn't matter, but face value is the actual value of a number. So suppose what number I have written here? Here I have written number 436. 436. Suppose what is the face value of 6? What is the face value of 6? So what is the actual value of 6? 6 की actual value क्या है? 6 itself. Okay. So face value of 6 is 6. Okay. Now what is the face value of 3? Here I am writing face value. Okay. Face value. So what is the actual value of 6? 6 की value क्या है? 6 ही है. So its face value is also 6, but its position is, its place value is 1. So place value doesn't matters in face value. face value में place value हम consider नहीं करेंगे, हम place value नहीं देखेंगे. Only what we will see, its actual value. So the face value of 6 is 6. Face value of 3 is 3 and face value of 4 is 4. That means a face value of a number is a number itself. A face value of a number, किसी भी नंबर की face value क्या होगी? वो नंबर खुद. So a face value of a number is a number itself, or a face value of a number is actual value at whatever position it may be. किसी भी position पर हो, that doesn't matter. So a face value of a number is a number itself, or the actual value of a number. So face value of 6 is 6, face value of 3 is 3, and face value of 4 is 4. Now next is place value. Place value already we have done. So what is place value? A place value of a digit depends upon its place in the number. A place value of a digit depends on its place. Place value किस पर डिपेंड करता है? कि वो नंबर या वो डिजिट किस प्लेस पर है उस नंबर में. So again I am writing the same number 436. Now once again I am explaining you, a place value of a number depends on the position on which that digit is. प्लेस वैल्यू किस पर डिपेंड करता है? नंबर किस पोजीशन पर है, ऑन दैट पोजीशन या किस प्लेस पर है, उस पर डिपेंड करता है. So for that we should know the place value of a number. So here I have written 436. So first we will write the place value of a digit of all the numbers. So what is the place value of 6 here? Ones. What is the place value of 3? Tens. And what is the place value of 4? 100. Okay. What is the place value of 6? Ones. Place value of 3 is tens and place value of 4 is 100. Now see. Now what we have to do? We have to write its place value. Now so here I am writing the place value of all the digits. Now see. What is the place value of 6? Place value of 6 is 1. So we can write it 6 as it is. Okay. Now what is the place value of 10? Sorry, what is the place value of 3? Place value of 3 is tens. That means we can write it also as 30. Now what is the place value of 4? Place value of 4 is 100. Place value of 4 is 100, or we can also write it as 400. So a place value depends on the value of a digit or a value of a number. In this place value doesn't matter, okay, but place value of a number is depends on the position or the place at which number is. किस place पर number है, that is the place value of a following digits. So first we will write place value of all the digits. Place value of 6 is ones, place value of 3 is tens, and place value of 4 is 100. Now accordingly we will write the place value of all the digits. So place value of 6 is 1, so we can write it is 6 as it is. Place value of 3 is tens, so we can write that place value of 3 is 30 also. Now the place value of 4 is 100, so we can write the place value of 4 is 400. Okay, I hope all of you understood. Now fast take out your copies and take out new page, write today's date. We are going to write first the definition so that you can remember it. Okay, fast take out your copies and take out new page. Now I hope all of you have clear with the topic face value and place value and the difference between the face value and the place value. Okay, so take new page and write today's date. What is the date today? Write here. Now write the name of the topic, place value and face value on the top of your notebook. Write place value, VALUE, place value and face value, FACE, face value. So this is our today's topic. Okay, if you want to underline the topic, you can underline it. Now on one number you write face value, and put a small dash. Okay, so first we will write the definition of a face value. Face value. Now see what is the, so write the face value, the face value of a digit is its actual value. Actual value at whatever place it may be. At whatever Now you write one example also. So take one number 436. So first we will write the place value. Okay. Since the place value doesn't matter, but still we write the place value 436. Now what is the face value? So write here face value. So face value of 6 is 6, face value of 3 is 3, and face value of 4 is 4. Note down. Note down fast. Note down fast. Students, you can pause video here and write fast. Those who are writing slow, okay, I am talking about those students. You can pause video here. यहाँ पे आप वीडियो पॉज करके और अपना वर्क कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. सो राइट फास्ट. Write face value also, that we are writing the face value of the following numbers. Write your face value. Write fast. Okay, so I hope all of you have written, and I told you those who have not written, you can pause the video and complete your work. Okay, so I am rubbing the board, and now we are writing the next, that is place value. So write second and write place value. Now write just below face value, write the second point and write place value and put a small dash. Now write the place value of a digit. The place, P-L-A-C-E, place, and write with me, write fast, copy correct from the board. Don't use erasers again and again. Okay, the place value of a digit, the place value of a digit depends upon its place in the number. Its place in the number. Now I hope all of you understood. Now once again I am reading the line. The place value of a digit, we are finding place value and face value of a digit. Okay, हमें particular digit का face value and place value find करना है. Is that clear? Of a given number, जो number given है, इसमें जो number of digits है. So we have to find the place value and face value of a digit. Okay, so the place value of a digit depend करता है, किस पे depend करता है? Its place in the number. उस number में उसकी क्या place है? Okay, so that will be the place value. Okay, so write one example. Again the same number I am taking. only 6. Now the place value of 3 here is 3 tens. That means 30. 3 tens means 30. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. So 3 tens means 30. And what is the place value of 4 here? 4 hundreds. 4 hundreds. And 400 means 400. So the place value of 6 is 6 ones. That means 6. The place value of 3 is tens. 3 tens means 30. And the place value of 4 is 100. So 400 means 400. Copy fast. Now I hope all of you have more clearly understood the concept of the place value and the face value. So copy fast. Copy correct from the board. Okay. Copy correct from the board. You can pause video here and you do complete your work. Okay. You can pause video here and you complete your work. Okay, so I am rubbing the board. Those who have not completed, I told you can pause the video and complete your work. Okay, so now I am rubbing the board and starting the exercise, that is quick assessment. So you also take out new page and start writing quick assessment that is given on page number 32. Very simple questions. Okay. So write quick assessment that is given on page number 32. Okay. So write quick assessment, QUICK, quick assessment. Quick assessment. Okay. Now copy the first question that is given in your book. Find, fill in the blanks. What we have to do? We have to fill in the blanks. Those who have book, you can copy question from the book also. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the place value. With the place value of the underlined digits. Of the underlined digits. So first I am writing all the questions. 634. 4 is underlined. And the last is 466. And the 6 is underlined. Okay. Now once again I am reading the question and be attentive. Okay. And understood what is the question. Fill in the blanks. You have to fill the blanks. The blanks are given. Okay. With the place value. What thing you have to fill in the blank? You have to fill in the blanks with the place value. Yeah. Place value, not face value. Only you have to write place value of the underlined digit. जो digit underline है उसकी आपको place value लिखना है. So 386. So what I am doing? I am writing the place value first. So you also write ones, tens, and 100. So all the digits. Here all the digits are at ones place. Here all the digits are at tens place. Here all the digits as at. So here also I am writing. So आपको एक ही बार लिखना है because you are writing just one before the other. Okay. So now see. What is the first question here? 386. And at which number? Underline 6 and value of 6 is 1. So write only 6. 6. Write fast. Because the value of 6 is ones and 6 ones means only 6. Now what is the next number? 734 and underlined digit is 3 and its place value is tens. So 3 tens means 30. 3 tens means 30. Write fast. Now see what is the next number? 985 and 985 underlined digit is 9 and the place value of 9 here is 100. So 900 means 900. Next question is 822 and underlined digit is 8 and place value of 8 is 100. 800 that means 800. 634. 634 and underlined digit is 4 and place value of 4 is 1. 4 ones means only 4. Now the last 463. 463 and underlined digit is 6 and value of 6 is tens. So 6 tens means 6. Copy fast. Note down fast. Note down fast. You can pause video here and complete your work fast. Okay. Students, you can pause video here and complete your work. So I am rubbing the board for the second question. Okay. Those students who have not completed their work, here you can pause the video and complete your work. So now I am rubbing the board. I hope all of you have understood the first question very clearly. Now the second question. Second question. Write second. Find the place value and a face value of all the digit in the given number. So write find the place value and face value 5, 3. So we have to write its place value. Okay, place value, and we have to write its face value also. Face value. Okay, we have to write its face value in face value. So what is the first number here? So I am writing its place value also. So first, what is the place value of 3? Ones, that means only 3. So place value of 5 is tens, that means 50. And place value of 3, what is the place value of 3? 100, that means 300. And now we are going to write its face value. And what is face value? The actual number. So face value of 3 is 3, face value of 5 is 5, and face value of 3 is 3. Right fast. I hope now you are very good to solve all the questions on your own. So now I am writing the second question, that is B. So I am writing the question that side, B. 8, 8 and 2. Okay. Now the same place value and face value. Place value and face value. So I am writing its position, ones, tens and 100. So 2, 8 and 8. Now see, first writing the place value. So what is the place value of 2? Ones. So only 2. Place value of 8 is tens. So 80. And place value of 8 is 100. So 800. Now next, writing its face value. So face value is the actual value of a number, of a digit. So face value of 2 is 2. Face value of 8 is 8, and face value of another 8 is also 2. So this is, in this way we find out the place value and face value of a digit. So 2 questions are remaining. C and D will be homework for you. Okay. Question number 2, C and D, the same questions, that is finding place value and face value will be homework for you. So copy fast. Copy fast. Now I hope all of you have understood very nicely the concept of place value and face value, and you are able to solve question number C and D. Okay, I hope कि आपको फेस वैल्यू और प्लेस वैल्यू का कंसेप्ट अपने माइंड में बहुत अच्छे से क्लियर हो चुका है और आप इसके सी और डी पार्ट कर लेंगे. Isn't it? So those students who have not completed their work, you can pause video here and you complete your work. Okay. So now here we have completed our topic, that is place value and face value. So we will continue the next topic in our next lecture. Till then, good day, have a nice day. Do your work, complete your work, and once again do all the questions of face value and place value. Bye students.